Hello guys, welcome back to Escapids. So in this episode I'm going to show you how to file your company monthly VAT returns, which are filed monthly for any limited company with the VAT obligation. For this company that I'm going to file right now, it has not been filing the nil returns every month, so it has a deficit, or it has income or in its account that it has to declare, but it still wants to file nil for this subsequent month, which is the month of September 2022. So first you have to enter into your iTax account using the company PIN and the company password. Please make sure you have the company PIN and company password. If you don't have them, you can also reset, and it will send us confirmation code to your email. So after you enter into the Teams or into the KRA account or the iTax account, you go to the File Returns tab, where you'll find you have this value added tax tab, where you go to the above section. From there, you have to download the Excel sheet that is applicable to you. For me, I use the 2010 Excel sheet, so I download that. So because I'm going to be using it to file for this nil company returns for the month of September 2022. So as I do that, I have to go and look at the previous returns that were filed the previous month, which was the month of August, so that I can know what monies am I bringing forward into this new month of September. So I have to put in the original type of return, tax obligation, VAT, entity type, head office. From there, you just press consort, and it will bring to you the various returns that have been filed over the years or over the previous months. So as you can see, we want to see the previous return that was filed on August. So you click view. It will bring you a summary of the return that was filed in August and the money that was brought forward from August. So that's what we want to know, the money that was brought forward from August. In this case, was negative 18,045.13. So we have noted that somewhere because it's very useful so that you can file for the September return. So from there, we go back and open our Excel sheet that we had downloaded, and as it opens, make sure that your macros in the Excel sheet are enabled. I'm going to do a video on how to enable your macros in the Excel sheet as you do your file returns. It's normally very important when you're filing either the VAT or the P9 form returns to enable your macros in your Excel sheet. So from there, you have to go to the first section, which is the basic information section, where you are prompted to put in your company PIN, or else if this was a P9 form, you would have put your personal PIN, but in this case it's a VAT. Let's put our company PIN. So our company PIN is our company PIN is P2. Make sure you type the type of return, make sure you put it as original. The entry type, because you are filing for the head office, make sure you put it as the head office. It's not a branch of any other company, so it's the head office that is filing this return. So make sure you put in head office. From there, make sure you put the return period is from the month that you are doing. For me, I'm doing the return for September 2022, so I'll have to put 01 of 9/2022 because it starts on the first day of September to the last day of September. So the last day of September is it 30 days? Yeah, it has 30 days, so it will be 30th of September 2022. From there, are you a resident? This one just say no if you are a Kenyan resident. and move next. So from here you are going to move to the farthest tab down here, the farthest one. That's where you're going to move, the farthest one, the last tab. So the last tab is the VAT due. So here in the credit brought forward from the previous month, we are going to put the 18,000 that we had looked for when we were searching for the credit that was brought forward from the month of August, the VAT credit that was brought forward from the month of August. So we put it there, we press validate, and we compute our taxes. From there it will compute our taxes and it will save the computed taxes in the documents folder where we are going to retrieve it so that we can be able to file. So minimize this Excel tab and move to the return folder, return tab, file return, let it load, press VAT, move to next. From there it is going to tell you choose a file, where you are going to choose the file, which, as I told you, it's in the document section. So move to the search documents, date modified, put the day of modification, which is today, 20th of October. So from there select the computed file return, press agree and submit, and press OK. And from there you have filed your return. Download the receipt and you are all good. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.